Honda Pilot Timing Belt and Engine Service. Introduction. Overview of the Honda Pilot. Importance of regular maintenance. Focus on timing belt and engine service. Understanding the timing belt. Definition and function. Components involved: timing belt, tensioners, pulleys. Differences between timing belts and chains. Timing belt replacement schedule. Manufacturer recommendations. Signs of wear and tear. Consequences of neglecting replacement. Symptoms of a failing timing belt. Unusual noises, slapping, ticking. Engine misfires. Oil leaks near the timing belt cover. Warning lights on the dashboard. Engine service overview. Importance of regular engine service. Key components to inspect during service. Oil changes. Filter replacements. Fluid checks: coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid. Spark plug replacement, timing belt replacement process. Tools and materials needed. Step-by-step guide to replacing the timing belt. Preparation: removing necessary components. Installation: aligning marks, tensioning the belt. Reassembly and testing. Engine service process. Routine checks and services. Detailed steps for an oil change. Replacing air and fuel filters. Checking and replacing spark plugs. Common issues and troubleshooting. Timing belt related issues. Engine performance problems. Diagnosing and fixing common problems. Cost considerations. Average costs for timing belt replacement. Costs associated with engine service. DIY versus professional service costs. Recap of the importance of timing belt and engine service. Encouragement for regular maintenance. The Honda Pilot is a versatile SUV known for its reliability and family-friendly features. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure its longevity and performance, particularly concerning the timing belt and engine service. Timing belt overview. The timing belt is a critical component that synchronizes the rotation of the engine's crankshaft and camshafts. This ensures that the engine's valves open and close at the proper times during each cylinder's intake and exhaust strokes. Replacement schedule. Honda typically recommends replacing the timing belt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the model year. Failing to replace a worn timing belt can lead to severe engine damage. Symptoms of failure. Drivers should be aware of signs such as unusual noises, engine misfires, or oil leaks near the timing cover. Ignoring these symptoms can result in costly repairs. Engine service. Regular engine service includes oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid checks. These services help maintain engine health and performance. Replacement process. Replacing a timing belt involves several steps, including removing components that obstruct access to the belt, installing the